Okay.
Favorite.
Favorite.
Menu.
Menu.
Country.
Country.
Cell phone.
Cell phone.
I do not live in France.
I do not live in France.
Not. Not.
Not.
Do you like France?
Do you like France?
My students are from Japan. They live in Tokyo, and they like my class.
My students are from Japan. They live in Tokyo, and they like my class. I love my country. I speak a little Japanese.
Japanese.
My parents are from Japan.
Japan.
French.
French is
a
beautiful country.
Country.
Oh my god. France. My sister live in Korea.
Korea.
They speak good Korean.
Korean.
Do you live in Korea?
Do you live in Korea? My parents.
My parents. Not speak
English.
English.
My parents are not speak English. Do not speak English. Oh my god.
France is a beautiful country. France. France is a beautiful country. Friend. France.
I do not live in Korea.
I do not live in Korea.
Are they from Japan?
Are they from Japan? I do not live in Korea.
Do you live in Japan?
Do you live in Japan? I do not live in France. France is a beautiful country.
France is a beautiful country.
France is a beautiful country. My parents do not speak
language.
English. My parents do not speak English. Okay. Victory. finish